So for number 27, so find the values of x for which the derivative is 0. So we'll get the derivative of this one and equate it to 0. So we'll have y prime is equals to 4x cubed minus 24x squared plus 44x minus 24. So after this one, we will equate it to 0. So 0 is equals to 4x cubed minus 24x squared. We'll just copy. So plus 44x minus 24. So by using the calculator, so you will go to menu and you will go to equation or function. So press the 2 polynomial. So select the degree. Highest degree is 3. So we have 4 minus 24. So plus 44 minus 24. So this equals. So x1 is equals. So x1. So the first root is equals to 1. So the second root is uh, 2, and the third root is 3. So by the calculator, so this is now the values of x when the derivative is 0. So let's check if our answer is correct. So answer is x equals to 1, 2, and 3. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 29. For number 29, so y is equals to x minus 1 all over x squared minus 2x plus 5. So we have get its first derivative and then equate to 0. So y prime is equals to x squared minus 2x plus 5. So the derivative of x minus 1 is just equals to 1 minus copy x minus 1. So derivative of x squared, so the denominator is 2x minus 2 all over x squared minus 2x plus 5. So we will further simplify. So y prime is just equals to x squared minus 2x plus 5 minus, so we have 2x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 2 all over x squared minus 2x plus 5. So we'll equate it to 0. So 0, so it's just equals to, we will transfer this term to left side. So the remaining will be x squared minus 2x plus 5. So we'll distribute the negative sign in all of the terms. So minus 2x squared plus 2x plus 2x minus 2. So we'll combine similar terms. 0 is just equals to x squared minus 2x squared is just equals to negative x squared. Negative x squared. So negative x squared. So minus 2x plus 2x. So we'll cancel this one. The remaining will be 2x. So plus 2x. So 5 minus 2 is just equals to 3 plus 3. So we'll divide both. So we'll multiply both sides by negative 1. So we have negative 1 to make it positive. The x squared. So 0 is equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. So by factoring, we have 0 is equals to x. So we'll factor this one. So x. So minus 3 x plus 1. Right? So x squared. So at x. So we'll equate it to 0. So x minus 3 is equals to 0 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 3 and then x is equals to negative 1. So these are the values of x. So let's check if our answer is correct. So x is equals to negative 1 and x is equals to 3. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 31.